Today I'm sharing some winter homemaking. I've been trying to get back into my routines after traveling and dealing with illness in our house, so I thought I'd bring you along as I share a typical morning homemaking routine and try and reset a few things around the house. Today, like many days, I started in my kitchen by cleaning up the breakfast dishes and emptying the dishwasher. This is one of those tasks that only takes a few moments, but I avoid doing. I read a quote recently that said that the dreading is worse than the doing, and I find this to be so true, especially for little things like this. Sometimes just digging in and doing the little things that we dislike doing is better than letting them become bigger in our minds. And really, emptying and reloading the dishwasher takes me just a few minutes, and then it's done for the day and out of my mind. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sara and I share videos about cleaning, decluttering, decorating, and homemaking. If you enjoy this video, please be sure to tell a friend, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to mop the floor in the kitchen more frequently. Because it's light colored, it shows every little smudge and speck of dirt, so I like to keep it shiny by giving it a quick mop every few days. Again, this doesn't take a lot of time, but feels a lot better when I've gotten it done. Wipe down the sink and toilet and give the toilet bowl a little swish with the brush. I do this every other day usually, and it keeps it clean enough that I don't have to deeply scrub the bathroom very often. This window shelf in our bathroom gets really dusty somehow, and the soil from the planters make it onto the shelf. I'm not sure what's happening, so I wanted to give that a little dusting as well. Next, I'm off to the grocery store to pick up some items for my breakfast. We were out of eggs, so I went to get just a few things from the store.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future.
Once I got back from the store, I put everything away and made myself a quick breakfast.
Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always.
I've been trying to eat more vegetables at breakfast time, so I wilt some spinach and make an omelet / scramble to eat with toast and fruit, and then I sprinkle it with this everything bagel seasoning. While I was at the store, I picked up some tulips. Even though we're more than a month away from the official start of spring, I've been noticing little signs of spring around our neighborhood, like blooming daffodils and the first crocuses. I like to add a few little touches of spring around the house to bring some fresh life into it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.